Hello, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to my video tutorial on how to transfer your profit shared with merchant shares in order for you to be able to withdraw it into your preferred payment processor. Well, for this account, we're using Payeer as our payment processor, and if you can see here, we're currently on the dashboard, and under account summary we have deposited I had deposited $41 in this account, and then there's total investments of 40 because we had selected two assets within merchant shares. One is the called as Forex, and the other one is the crypto coins, and currently our profit share is at $6.75. Well, the minimum amount that you can withdraw from merchant shares into your payment processor that you use to deposit with merchant shares in order to buy assets or shares is $5. And currently we have $6.75 as our earnings from profit sharing, and this is enough. This can be withdrawn into our payment processor, which is Payeer. Now I'll show you how the $6.75 will be transferred into this wallet balance. As you can see, wallet's balance is 0, so we'll transfer this one, the amount from profit shared, into wallet's balance. Now take a look at this. So first you can check on our investments. So once you click investments, you can see create, all active. So we'll have to look for all the actives. So we'll just click on the active, and as what I had mentioned earlier, that we're able to select two assets with merchant shares, and that is Forex and crypto coins. Now under Forex, it was created on January 30 within this year for $20, which is the minimum amount for investments. And since it has a 150% return, so once it matures, it will be $30. Now, as you can see here, the profit that this Forex asset was able to gain was $2.18, and the remaining is $27.82 future profits that we can earn from this asset, and it's still active. So you can also see here how much was the amount being transferred. It's 0 because we haven't done any transfers yet, but this is what we're going to do right now. And the first one that we selected as an asset with merchant shares is the crypto coins using Payeer payment processor, as you can see here. And it was made on January 25th. Yep. For the minimum $20 as well, and then 150% return, so that would be $30 in total. And our profit earned from this crypto coins asset is $4.57. That is why on the dashboard you're able to see $6, something like that. And future profit that we can earn from this crypto coins is $25.43. Still, we haven't transferred anything yet, so we'll be doing it right now. So let's work on with crypto coins first. Now you can click on this ID, and it will lead you to the investment detail. So as you can see, the ID, the payment method being used, it's Payeer, the wallet account that we use, as well as the sector, it's under crypto coins. Investment amount, it's for the minimum of $20. Profit secured, that's our earnings from profit sharing, so it's $4.57. Profit transfer, nothing yet, that's what we're going to do right now. And available balance is $4.57. Now remaining is $25.43. This will be our future profit from 150% return, which is $30. And it was created last January 25th. Now it's still active, so you can click here to cancel this investment, but we don't want to do that. Alright? So we got $4.57, and we're going to transfer it to our wallet balance. So we just have to click on that, and take note, transfer limit is $250, and that's 4, so it's okay. Now just click on confirm, and you have successfully transferred $4.57 to respective wallet, click here to view all transfer. So let's try to click on that. You can see it here. So transfers 4.57. Today's date, February 15 at 2:01 a.m. It's PM here, but 2:01 a.m. because, you know, server time. And transaction ID. Yep. We can click on this transaction ID to see the transaction details. As you can see here, that's it. Now let's go back to our active investments. So that was for CryptoCoins. Now let's move on with Forex. But I think we can't do it yet because, as you can see, we only got $2.18, and the minimum transfer amount is what do you call this one? $2.50. So maybe we'll just have to wait tomorrow or the next day. Maybe this will be around 2.50. But that depends on the what do you call this one? The performance of this sector, which is the Forex. So as you can see here, you get the profit sharing history on the dashboard. This is on the dashboard. So you can see this graph. It's a line graph, and you have the sectors here: web odds, Forex, commodities, stacks, CryptoCoins. You can see yesterday, so February 14. So web odds perform 0.37% for profit sharing. Forex, it's 0.90, commodities 0.78%, stocks 0.89, CryptoCoins 1.27. So this is what we invested on Forex and CryptoCoins. So this is the amount that we are getting out from our investment, which is $20, and has a minimum, has a 150% return. So once it matures, it will be $30 back to us as investors. Now you have your portfolio here, where you can see as to how many percent with regards to your investment. So you can see we've got two assets or sectors that we selected: Forex and CryptoCoins. So that's why we got 50%. But if we will add more assets into our portfolio or into our account, so let's say for example we'll select stacks, so that would be something like 33 point something like that. Yeah, and then commodities will be on the fourth, so that will be 25% each. But it depends. Yeah, because it depends on the deposit amount as well as your investment amount. So as you can see here under account summary, our profit shared is 6.75, right? And then a while ago, profit transferred was 0, but now it got 4.57. And then our wallet's balance was 0 as well, but now it got 4.57. So we got profit available, $2.18 from our Forex account. So with 2 days or 3 days, we'll be able to transfer again. And then once it reaches $5 or more, we can make a withdrawal request to our preferred payment processor, which is Payeer. Alright? So stay tuned for more video tutorials with Earn Online with Bruno Mart. This is Bruno Mart signing off.